Hello folks, welcome to our channel Education for Free. Today we are going to look about the time and work part 3. So in this, 6 men and 8 women can do a work in 10 days. Then 3 men and 4 women can do the same work in how many days? We know only one formula, that is time into efficiency is equal to work. So here 6 men plus 8 women can do work in how many days? 10 days. So efficiencies of this men and women into 10 days is equal to 3 men plus 4 women. 3 men plus 4 women time. We don't know the time. We have to find out this x only. X. If you are multiplying both LHS and RHS with 2 means this will become 6m plus 8 women. So this will be cancelled and x is nothing but 20 days. So here 3 men and 4 women can do the same work in 20 days. Here simply efficiencies of both men and women into time is equal to efficiencies into time. Okay, this is about the 11th sum. Now we are looking about the 12th sum. Here the 4 men and 6 women can complete a work in 8 days, while 3 men and 7 women can complete a work in 10 days. In how many days will 10 men complete it? So as done in the previous problem, similar manner we have to do this also. See, 4 men plus 6 women 8 days is equal to 3 men plus 7 women in 10 days. Time into efficiency concept only here also we are using. So men by women is equal to 11 by 1. So we have got the efficiency ratios of both M and W. So that in this we have to calculate in how many days 10 women will complete it. So 10 into women. Women's efficiency is what? 1. In how many days we don't know. So efficiencies into time. Time we don't know, x. That is equal to 4 men. Men's efficiency is 11 plus 6 women. 6 into women. Efficiency is 1. They will can complete a work in 8 days. So these are completing a work in 8 days. So if you are calculating, x will become 40 days. Why we are taking only 4 men and 6 women? This one, why can't we take 3 men and 7 women can complete in 10 days? Yes, we can take even 3 men and 7 women can complete in 10 days. This one also we can take. So see, 10 women's efficiencies into days we don't know, that is equal to 3 men's efficiencies plus 7 women's efficiency that can complete in 10 days. If you calculate that thing also, we will get x is equal to 40 days. Okay, this is about the 12th problem. Now this is about the 13th question. Here see, A takes 10 days less than the time taken by B to finish a piece of work. If both A and B can do it in 12 days, then time taken by B alone to finish the work is how much? We know only one thing, time into efficiency is equal to work. Here A, B. In the question you see, A takes 10 days less than the time taken by B. So if B take x means A will take x minus 10 days. So efficiency is nothing but reciprocal. X here, x minus 10 here. If both A and B can do it in 12 days, A plus B efficiency will become, we have to add these two things. So 2x minus 10. We know concept, work is equal to time into efficiency. So 12 into 2x minus 10. 12 into 2x minus 10 is equal to x into x minus 10. X into x minus 10. If you calculate, the x will become 30 and also 4. So it does not become 4 because A takes 10 days less than time taken by B. So if x is equal to 4 means A will become minus 10. So minus 10 days it's not possible. So I have to take x is equal to 30. So if B takes 30 days means A will take 20 days. Okay, this is about the 13th problem. Now this is the 14th problem. Here A is thrice as good as B and takes 60 days less than B for doing a job. The time taken in order to complete together is how many days? Okay, in this A, B, time efficiencies. Here A is thrice as good as B, so the efficiency of A will become 3, the efficiency of B will become 1. And also looking at the problem, undertakes 60 days less than B. If B takes X days means A will take X minus 60 days. We know the problem work is equal to time into efficiency. So X minus 60 into 3 is become X into 1. Time into efficiency is equal to time into efficiency. So if we calculate, X will become 90 days. So this will become 90, this will become 90 minus 60, 30. So see, B will take 90 days in order to complete the work. A will take 30 days in order to complete the work. So again we are going to use the same formula only, that is time into efficiency is equal to work. Time is equal to work. Work is how much? 90. See, 90 into 1 or 30 into 3. Work will become 90. What is the efficiencies of both A and B? 3 plus 1. That is nothing but 4. So time is equal to 22 1 by 2 days. Because the time in which they can do it together. That's why we are adding both efficiencies. 90 by efficiency of A plus B, that is 4. So T is equal to 22 1 by 2 days. Okay, this is about the 14th problem. So this is about the 15th problem. This is very important model. This model is continued in the next part also. So in this, X number of men can finish a piece of work in 30 days. If there are 6 men more, the work would be completed in 10 days less. The original number of men is. So in this, we are going to use one formula, that is nothing but M1 D1 by W1 is equal to M2 D2 by W2. Okay, see how many men is there? X men. How many days? 30 days. Work will be completed. So no need to write work here as divided by 1. If there are 6 men more, that is nothing but we are considering X. So 6 men more means X plus 6. The work could be finished in 10 days less. Here it is taking 30 days. So 10 days less means 20 days. So if you are calculating this means X is equal to 12. Here we did not do much. We just followed this formula only. M1 D1 by W1 is equal to M2 D2 by W2. Here M1 is X, D1 is 30. M2 is X plus 6 because there were 6 men more. D2 is 10 days less. Here it is 30. So 10 days less means 20. So we are equating both two. As W1 and W2 is equal to 1, we no need to consider that one here. Okay. This is about this part 3, and we will continue the more problems in part 4.